Adding and removing a beneficiary on Revolut is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser on your phone. Then, search for Add or Remove a Beneficiary on Revolut's site. So, tap to open Revolut help site. Once you get into it, now from here, you can find out the process of how you added bank beneficiary details. So, on Transfer, tap on the search bar followed by Accounts. Tap on the beneficiary and then on their profile in the top right corner. This will bring you to their profile, where you can edit their details. Now, get back to the web browser and tap on Remove Beneficiary link, where you can find the process to remove beneficiary on Revolut. So, if you want to remove a beneficiary from bank transfer section, if you still have a question like how to do this, then the only option available, Add New Beneficiary. Swipe on the beneficiary and Delete will appear.